Alright guys, I have won a contest. I'm taking our addresses off of here. Yep. We're going to open it. This comes from a good friend of ours who I had the pleasure of meeting at Darren's party out there in Daytona Beach. This was something I love to watch. I always watch when he does these. And he makes this by hand. And this is Matthew from Buck's Wood Shop. My hands. Make sure my hands are clean. And he made this in a video and made it as a contest to win. And I won. And I will cherish this. This is sweet. My hands clean. Buck's Wood Shop. Y'all go check him out. This is beautiful. Thank you, Matt. Wow. I love how he takes an old log out of the wood pile and turns it into a piece of art. And I love things made of wood. I've got a little single wide trailer up there that I've tongue and grooved the whole inside of it. Thank you, Matt. This is great. I really appreciate that. It's something I will cherish forever. And it will go with my collection. Great. Thank you very much. And this is his sticker. And actually, I think this is his new sticker. Let me look. Let's see. I've actually got his sticker up here. Yes, this is his new sticker. I've got his older one, which is a little larger. Right there, Buck's Wood Shop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Y'all go over there and visit Buck's Wood Shop. Say hello to Matt and watch him turn those things. He turns them bowls and they just come out so beautiful. Alright guys, thanks for watching and thank you, Matt. Alright, y'all have a good day.